Ever wanted to put an event on your website but didn't know how? I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. Now we're going to start again from the dashboard, and on the left side you're going to want to locate the events menu. Click on the events menu and you'll see here that you have no events yet. So we're going to create an event from scratch. On the top right you have here the plus icon. And let's click on the plus icon and then create event. Now to start your event creation, just put in any title name or the title of your event. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to use new event. And then here for the time, you're going to put in the date your event will start and the time your event will start. Here you're going to put the date your event will end and the time your event will end. For the event image, just make sure it's an image relevant to your event. Just for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to put in a placeholder for you, and that would be your event image. Now for the location, put in the correct location of your event to make sure that people can actually go to your event. So let's put in an event location. For the online event link, you can choose that as well. For the description, make sure you put in a really nice description of your event. This will entice people to join your event. Now, let's put in a really nice event description. All right, just for the purpose of this tutorial. Now, you put in your contact details as well here and your email. And this is really cool. If your event's going to be a paid event, just put here yes and add tickets. So you can put in your ticket price, the tax, and the number of available tickets that you'll be selling. Now, inversely, if your event is a free event, just click no or just choose no. Now, another great feature of this is that you can actually add products to your event. Now, just for purpose of this tutorial, let's try Tito's Vodka. And we'll put that in here. And you can add up to 100 products for any given event. Now, once you're done with setting that all up, just go all the way up here and click on Save. And that's it. Once you've clicked Save, your event is now saved and should be up on your website. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.